Ah, tzatziki. It reminds me of family, of the Greek Ocean, the Mediterranean, the mountains. And mark my words, now it is enjoyed by all people of all classes, in all countries, all over the world. The earth's special gifts are mixed into this dish, and my friend Emilia will share them with you right now. Emilia, take it away.
How's it cooking good looking? My name is Amalie and today we are making Greek tzatziki. For this tzatziki you need Greek yogurt, you need 2 cucumbers, apple cider vinegar, salt, 1 clove of garlic.
Amelia, more garlic is more Greek.
Okay, Costas, 5 cloves of garlic, some olive oil, pepper and a little bit of fresh mint. This recipe can also be found below in the description. So to make tzatziki you need to have the most drained out, thick, delicious, creamy yogurt. And even though this is delicious, it's not thick because it's for all purposes. It's also for breakfast recipes. So what I did was that I put in coffee filters in a strainer like this. And then overnight I just had it sit in my fridge and look how much water came out of this. So now we have this nice, very thick, creamy, look at this. This is how you want it to look like. This is why you have to be very careful because you have all your coffee filters on the other side here. So it's important for you to remove this, you see? It's very easy, so don't be afraid of it. Just pay attention that there are no more coffee filters left when you're done. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, our nicely drained Greek yogurt. And you can see the difference of this compared to this. It's not the same kind of yogurt. Can you tell? Look at this. And a tzatziki with this one should be criminal. That's why drain your Greek yogurt. We are adding olive oil. I'm adding half of it now, like so. I like to use big grains of pepper. I'm also going to use a little bit of sea salt, some apple cider vinegar, because apple cider vinegar actually gives the tzatziki like a kind of tangy flavor. It's just essential. When you taste the tzatziki and you have this flavor that is not yogurt, but it's still tangy, that's the apple cider vinegar. You can also use white wine vinegar if you prefer that. I like the apple cider one, it's healthier. The garlic. I promised Costas to use a lot of garlic. We are listening to the legend. We are adding more garlic. And also, Greek people, they love garlic. I've never seen a Greek recipe, unless it's a dessert, that doesn't contain garlic. They love it. We are gonna mix this nice. It just has to be nicely combined. Oh my God, the smell of the garlic and the yogurt right now is really coming together. And can you see, guys, how thick this is? I will keep saying this. This is very important. I was recently told by a sweet Greek girl called Calliope, who's a really good chef, that when you make your tzatziki, you have to cut the cucumber into small pieces instead of graining it, because you don't want to release all the nice juices, but you also don't want the juices to make your tzatziki all watery. So we are following her words. We are going to cut this into squares. You can leave the skin on if you like. This is new to me, but I trust the words of a Greek girl, you know. This is my own little twist, because my grandmother used to do this. She puts in a little bit of chopped mint, because it brings out the flavors of the yogurt. We are gonna stir this all together. And we are gonna put it in a dish, the serving dish, you know. Because when you have all your Greek family over for their big fat wedding, no, that's a joke. Then what you do is you serve it in a nice tray, like so. And in for an hour, and then you're ready to serve. It's been 1 hour, ladies and gentlemen, and she's ready to be consumed. Oh, not yet, because when you cook Greek food, you always serve with a little bit of olive oil up top. Costas, my friend. This is the moment of truth, because my friend Costas is trying this, and he's the Greek, as Greek as they come. Are you gonna be honest with me if you like it or not?
Yes, let's
Okay.
have a taste of Greece.
Let's.
By your hands.
always by your hands. Oh, it's good. I didn't try it until now. I like it.
Tzatziki. I feel like I'm in the Greek mountains, in Athens,
We have one
with
more.
my grandfather and grandmother.
You
And
do?
father. Yeah, it reminds you of everything that you love. Thank you.
Costas, we have guests coming. Don't eat it.
I don't care. The garlic is perfect.